Searching for a GoMovies alternative? You don't need another sketchy clone. They drop malware and trigger copyright notices. The legal free streaming world has grown enough to replace them. We tested 8 services over 30 days, all official apps on devices you already own. Here they are. Start with Tubi, owned by Fox. Over 200,000 movies and shows, free with ads and fully licensed. It's the strongest catalog for older Hollywood, foreign, and B movies. In our test, 4K held steady, and it even works on PS5 and Xbox. Want background TV? Pluto TV, owned by Paramount, lends over 250 free live channels with on-demand. On our Apple TV, the channel surf felt closer to cable than a streaming app, and it's in 38 countries. The Roku Channel works even without a Roku, is free in a browser, and on iOS, Android, Fire TV, and Samsung TVs. The library mixes Roku originals with licensed films from Lionsgate, MGM, and Warner Brothers, and most platforms need no account at all. Plex is best known as media server software, but its free ad-supported tier streams thousands of licensed films with no account. And if you own physical media or downloads, the same app plays your own library alongside the free catalog, the closest thing to everything in one place. Here's the one most people miss. A free library card unlocks 2 ad-free services. Hoopla streams new releases, 4 to 10 borrows a month. Kanopy covers indie, documentary, and the Criterion collection. No subscription, no ads, the library pays per checkout. And to tie it together, start every search at JustWatch. It's a free engine that tells you which legal service streams any title, free Tubi, Pluto, Hoopla, Kanopy, and the rest. No free option? A $3.99 rental beats a pirate mirror. So skip the pirate mirrors, they're a real malware and legal risk. Install Tubi and Pluto, add the Roku Channel, get a library card for Hoopla and Kanopy, and layer JustWatch on top. That stack legally replaces 90% of GoMovies for free. Full guide on phone.tips